Hey there, travel lovers! Have you ever dreamed of sailing through crystal clear waters in the Seychelles? Well, today, we're diving into the ultimate private yacht experience that's all about luxury and adventure. Imagine this. We're gliding over turquoise waves, surrounded by breathtaking islands, each more stunning than the last. Picture lounging on the deck, sipping a cocktail, while the sun sets in a blaze of colors. We'll explore hidden coves, snorkel with vibrant marine life, and indulge in gourmet meals prepared by our private chef. This isn't just a getaway, it's a chance to escape the ordinary and create unforgettable memories in one of the world's most beautiful destinations. So, if you're ready to elevate your travel game and experience the Seychelles like never before, hit that subscribe button and join us on this luxurious journey. Let's make those travel dreams a reality.